If your heart beats like a perfect metronome, you are likely overtrained or about to get sick. A healthy heart is actually chaotic. We want high variability because it proves your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, is dominant and responsive. If the time between beats becomes identical, your sympathetic stress system is pinning the throttle. But here is the trap that ruins training blocks. Most athletes obsess over their daily morning score. This is a mistake. Your HRV fluctuates wildly based on hydration, sleep position, or a late dinner. To filter that noise, we ignore standard deviation and use rMSSD, the root mean square of successive differences. This specific calculation isolates vagal tone, giving us the purest look at cardiac recovery status. However, the math is useless without the protocol. You must measure immediately upon waking, lying supine, for 60 seconds. Do not check social media first. This establishes your specific baseline, because comparing your raw number to a friend's is statistically meaningless. Now, the solution to the daily trap. We never make decisions on one data point. We calculate the 7-day rolling average. This smooths out the biological noise and reveals the true fatigue trend. Keep this baseline in mind for the final rule. Here is the actionable threshold. A drop of 10 to 15% is just noise. Ignore it. But if your 7-day average drops greater than 20% below baseline, or stays suppressed for 3 consecutive days, scrub the interval session. That is your biological red light. Stop reacting to noise. Trust the rolling trend.